We're here today with scorer of the winning goal. You know, played forward for most of the game, but is traditionally known as a defender, Daniel Mitchell. Speak to us about today's performance.
We start off a little bit shaky, but in like the first water break, the coach gave us instructions and we just execute it well.
Alright, so you would have started off the game not to your normal goal scoring purse. We saw that you missed a few opportunities. You weren't as sharp as you were today. Speak to us about why is it that you started as poorly as you did?
To be honest, I don't know really, but it's the first game that started off that slow. But next game, I hope we can bounce back.
You guys went down, and this would have been the first time Mona High would have had to play under pressure. Speak to us about how it was playing under pressure for the first time this season.
We were prepared for this because we play a lot of Premier League sides, so that like bigger guys, so we get like enough challenges, so we execute.
As the ball came down at your feet just now, before you struck it, what was going through your mind?
Just score and go to the coach.
Alright, and then after the goal was scored, we saw that you went back to your original position. Did it feel weird playing centre back after playing most of the season as a forward?
No.
Just work as usual?
Yeah, no.
Alright, so first game under pressure. Now we see that Mona does in fact bleed. What will you guys take from this game going forward throughout the rest of the season?
We like to watch the game and like watch out the mistakes that we made and like to make adjustments for the next game coming up and to get to like bigger teams.
Alright, thanks for talking to us.
Thank you.